In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding viroids. Option A, they have DNA with protein coat. It is incorrect. This rather refers or describes a virus and not a viroid. Viroids contain RNA but not DNA and also lack a protein coat. Option B, they have free DNA without protein coat. It is also incorrect as viroids contain RNA and not DNA. Option C, they have RNA with protein coat. This is also incorrect as they do have RNA but they do not have a protein coat. Option D, they have free RNA without a protein coat. Now, viroids are the simplest known infectious agents which consist of a short strand of circular single-stranded RNA without any protein coat, that is the capsid, and they rely solely on their RNA for replication and infection. Hence, it is the correct option.